Hello everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So on our menu today is chicken and peas. So I'm going to cook this lovely chicken in green pea sauce. Just keep around and enjoy the video. It's very simple. You can also make it at home. First and foremost, I'm going to first fry the chicken until it browns a little, and then we shall proceed with the rest of the recipe. Some of you might be wondering how it tastes like. It's very tasty. The combination of chicken and peas is very nice. You can just try it at home because it's very simple. In case you have leftover peas and chicken, you can do it. And even if you have fresh peas, it is also very easy to put together. So I'm adding a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper to the chicken for taste. And if you're wondering how to cook green peas, just check for the link down below in the description box. I've shared a link of how to cook the peas. So I've just added some bay leaves and some onions to the chicken. I'm now adding some green capsicum and some carrots, and I'm going to let them cook with the chicken for about a minute. So I'm not adding many dry spices to the chicken. I'm only adding chicken curry powder because we already have our peas. They're already cooked and spiced. Add a tablespoon of tomato paste to the chicken. Stir it very well and then let it cook with all the ingredients and spices for about 10 minutes. The various ways of how to cook chicken, and I've linked a number of videos down below in the description box of how to cook your chicken, so don't run out of recipes. Just visit my channel, or you can go to the playlist and look for chicken recipes. I've just added some water to the chicken, and now I'm going to let it boil with a soup for about 5 minutes. In fact, I'm going to cover it because I need it to cook. Since our peas are already cooked, we need the chicken to also be cooked. At this point, the chicken is soft and cooked, so we're going to be adding the peas to the chicken. First, give it a quick stir and then add the peas. In case you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana and you feel like you would want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. It's down below in red. Also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload. Don't forget to leave any comments about this recipe in case you do have, and also check the description box for all the ingredients and spices that I've used for this specific recipe. You can just add any quantity of peas that you would like to add. Mine were leftover peas, so I had no option, but in case you have a cup of green peas, it can do. So I'm going to give it time and let it boil with the peas because we need the taste. We need the taste of the chicken, and we also need the taste of the peas in our stew. In case you're wondering what to have your chicken and peas with, you can have it with boiled rice or even fried rice. You can also have it with boiled sweet potatoes. It comes out very nice and very tasty. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you've liked it. Don't hesitate to try it out. Trust me, it's very delicious.